Hey everyone, and welcome back to the Smart Move to UK's podcast, where we explore the UK business immigration to help you achieve your business goals. Today we're talking all about registering a UK company as a foreigner. Now I know that sounds scary, but trust me, it's more straightforward than you might think. And the UK is seriously rolling out the red carpet for foreign entrepreneurs these days. First things first. Why the UK? Well, let's face it, the UK has always been a business hub. It's got a stable economy, a clear legal framework, and a global reputation. But here's the kicker. They've made it super simple to register a company, even if you're not a resident. Think about it, you can be based anywhere in the world, running your business from India, Bali, Buenos Aires, or your favorite coffee shop, and still have a UK registered company. Talk about expanding your reach, and that's not even the best part. Basically, this visa lets you live and work in the UK, managing the very business you set up. It's a game changer, especially compared to the old rules, where majority shareholders couldn't just waltz in as Jack representatives. And forget about those endless endorsement hoops you have to jump through with some other visas like the UK Innovator Founder Visa. With the Skilled Worker Visa, you're in the driver's seat. Now let's talk benefits, because this visa comes loaded with them. First off, after 5 years of running your business like a champ, you could be eligible for permanent residency in the UK. Hello British citizenship, plus your family can join the party and live in the UK too. And unlike some visas that pigeonhole you into specific industries, the skilled worker visa lets you spread your entrepreneurial wings in any sector you so. Tech startup? Go for it. Hey, the sky is the limit. Now, before you pack your bags, there are a few things you need to tick off the list. First and foremost, you've got to have a solid business plan. The UK wants to see that you're serious about making a go of it. They also need to be confident that there's a real job for you in the business, not just a made-up title so you can get a visa. Finances are key too. Make sure you've got enough cash in the company's coffers to pay salaries, including your own. And last but not least, you'll need to prove your English is up to snuff, C for bone level to be precise. No need to be Shakespeare, but you've got to be able to communicate effectively. So how do you actually go about registering your company? Well, my friends, it's easier than ordering a takeaway these days. You've got two options, the DIY route through the company's house website, or you can team up with a specialist firm like the Smart Move to UK that handles all the paperwork. If you're feeling confident and love a good puzzle, go solo. But if you'd rather save time and stress, those expert firms are worth their weight in gold. Now, I know what you're thinking, this all sounds great, but what about the nitty-gritty details? Don't worry, we'll cover all that good stuff, the documents you'll need, the step-by-step registration process, even a breakdown of costs in our full blog post on this topic. Just click the link in the show notes and you'll be on your way to UK business domination in no time. That's all for today, folks. Remember, the UK is a fantastic place to start and grow a business, no matter where you're from. So, dust off those business plans, polish up your entrepreneurial spirit, and go make it happen. Thanks for tuning in and good luck for your business. I'll catch you in the next episode.